National Weather Service has just activated the warning alarm as a test. During dangerous weather situations, specially built radios are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests for this alarm tone are normally conducted at this time every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather threatens the area, the threat will be postponed until the next available good weather day. The alarm tone will activate for watches, warnings, and selected statements affecting specific counties based on the transmitter you are listening to. For exact coverage areas, please visit our internet homepage. Receipt of this warning alarm tone will vary at any given location, especially at greater distances from the transmitter and in large buildings. This concludes the weekly alarm test. We now return to regular programming.
Here is the forecast.